Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Tamago Zosui, rice porridge cooked in dashi broth with eggs. This mild-tasting simple food is great at any time, but especially good when having no appetite or trying to avoid heavy foods. These are the ingredients. For more information and complete recipe, please visit our website japanesecooking101.com. Chop green onions and set aside. Make dashi. Today we are using a simple dashi packet to make it easier. Check out our how to make dashi videos for different ways to make dashi broth. Season the dashi with salt, soy sauce, and sake. Mix. Add the steamed rice. This is a great way to use leftover rice. Cook for 5 to 10 minutes until reaching your desired thickness. Beat the eggs in a bowl and slowly pour into the rice. And stir. Serve in a bowl and top with chopped green onions. Tamago Zosui is warm and comforting. It's a perfect dish when feeling under the weather.
美味しい。美味しいね。